In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a project in Google AI Studio. We'll walk through a simple flow: opening Google AI Studio, starting a build, shaping your idea, letting the tool generate the app, and then exporting it. By the end, you'll have a downloadable package of your project that you can move into your own workflow or share with your team. Start by heading to astudio.google.com in a modern browser. You'll land on the home page where the main entry point for building lives. The interface is clean and straightforward, so you can get started without a lot of setup. Once you're on the site, look for the option labeled Build AI Apps. This is the gateway to creating and packaging your project. Click it to open a fresh workspace. In the workspace, you'll see a prompt area inviting you to describe your idea. Think of this as a creative brief for your app. Be clear and specific about the problem you're solving, the inputs you expect from users, and the outputs you want the app to produce. If it helps, include the tone or style you want, any constraints, and examples of ideal responses. The more focused your description, the better the generated result will align with what you need. Keep it concise but informative, enough detail to guide the build without overwhelming it. When your idea description feels right, click the Build button. Google AI Studio will process what you've written and assemble a working prototype. This usually takes a moment. You'll see a preview and configuration generated from your brief, giving you a quick way to check that the structure matches your intent. If something looks off, refine the description and build again until the result aligns with your goal. Once you're satisfied with the build, look to the top right of the interface and click Download App. This is your export action. The download typically arrives as a package file, often a zip, containing the essential pieces of your project. Depending on your browser, it may appear in the downloads bar or the default downloads folder. If you don't see it right away, check your browser's download settings. That's it. You've exported your project from Google AI Studio. Your download usually includes configuration, prompts, and boilerplate code or assets tied to the app you just built, making it easy to hand off, archive, or adapt in your own development environment. For smooth collaboration, keep your exported files organized and labeled so you always know which version you're working with. Quick recap: go to astudio.google.com, click Build AI Apps, describe your idea clearly, click Build, and then use Download App in the top right to export your project. You're ready to take your AI app wherever you need it.